Hi everyone, this is kind of messy here, 6.5 video number 2, and we are on example 7, page 3 of your notes. So this is, again, the log properties, but these expressions we're going to have to use more than one property to combine or condense them into a single log. So if you notice here, we have a number out front, a constant multiplied, so that means we're going to use the power property. And then we have addition, which means we're going to use the product property. So I'm going to do it in 2 steps. First, I'm going to do the power property. So remember, that is the one that takes that constant that's multiplied out front and turns it into an exponent there. And so now here I am with 2 logs added. So now I'm going to combine those into a single log. Addition becomes multiplication. So I have 4 to the 1/2 times 3. If you put 4 to the 1/2 in your calculator, that is the same as 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So when this is fully simplified, I'll have log 6. Remember, this is a base 10. When there's no base written, it's an invisible base 10. Okay, let's do another one. This one is going to be quotient because I have a subtraction and power property. So this is the power property right here because I have a number out in front, and the quotient will come from the subtraction. So I'm going to take care of the power property first. This 4 is going to become an exponent on the 2. So log 2 to the 4th power. So this came up and turns into an exponent on 2 minus log of 5. Again, these have the same base because it's that invisible base of 10. Now subtraction, remember, becomes division. So this is going to be 2 to the 4th power divided by 5. So let's see. 2 to the 4th power, I think we just had that in a previous problem, is 16. So this would be the same as log of 16 over 5. You could turn that into a decimal or leave it as a fraction. This fraction cannot be simplified, so you are done. Remember, you don't have to turn it into a decimal. Okay, turn the page. Let's look at a couple more here. So simplify using multiple properties, only this time I didn't tell you which one. So you see the subtraction, so that's going to become division. And then you just have to look carefully for these constants out front. So remember, if you have a constant multiplied by a log. So that means I'm going to have the power property first. So I always do that one first. So this is going to be log of 2 to the 3rd power. Remember, the number out front pops up here and becomes an exponent, minus log 2 to the 2nd power. So there's my constant, moved it up here and made it an exponent. Subtraction is going to become division. So this is going to be log of 2 to the 3rd divided by 2 squared. So do some simplifying now. Don't leave it. It needs to be fully simplified. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 2 to the 2nd power is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So all that simplifies down into log of 2. So this kind of messy thing simplifies down into that nice log of 2. Okay, I have addition and subtraction. I don't have any constants out in front. So I'm going to group this. I'm going to do this addition first. So this is going to become log of 6 times 2. Remember, addition becomes multiplication. Minus log of 7. 6 times 2 is 12. So this would be log 12 minus log of 7. And then subtraction becomes division. So this will become log of 12 divided by 7. 12 over 7 cannot be simplified, so you are done. Okay, there's a couple here for you to try, 4 of them actually. So pause the video, try them all. These are a little tricky. If you, when I show you the answer, get them incorrect, then go back and try them again. See if you can find your mistake. So here are the solutions if you tried them. Log base 6 of 3x to the 4th. Log base 4 of 5 over 12x, or if you turned it into a decimal, it would be point log, let me put this in parentheses so it's easier to see, log base 4 of 0.416x. And if you kept it a fraction, make sure your x is in the denominator. That's where it should be. This would be natural log of 6.75. Again, you can put these in parentheses. They don't have to be. Or natural log of 27 over 4. And log base 7 of 8x. And remember, you can always pause these videos at any point if it's going too quickly for you. Now in this example, we are expanding them. So think of starting with this and going backwards. Now normally, we usually do this. So we're combining them into a single log, but I need to show you how